Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Implementation is not easy. Traders fear losses as Delhi government imposes odd even rule for shops. The Delhi government decided to activate the Level 1 alert under the Graded Response Action Plan (GRAP) on Tuesday. While announcing the implementation of fresh curves, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the decision was taken as the COVID-19 positivity rate in the city had crossed zero point 0.5 in 48 hours. Under the plan, restaurants will be allowed to be run with 50% capacity from 8 am to 10 pm and bars with 50% capacity from 12 noon and 10 pm. Also, cinema halls and multiplexes have been ordered to shut down and the metro will be allowed to operate with 50% capacity. Moreover, shops and malls have been ordered to follow the odd even scheme, meaning that even numbered shops will stay open on even days and odd number ones will open on odd days. Business will suffer 60 to 70% losses. The government's decision to activate GRAP has come as a big blow for the shopkeepers at Khan Market, which houses 156 shops, highlighting the impact the odd even scheme will have on the market. Sanjeev Mehra, President Khan Market Association, said the move will negatively impact business because the customer will be confused a lot. They won't know which shop will open and which will remain shut. He said, as always, the government did not consult the trading community before taking a decision. Implementation of odd even is not easy. Moreover, everyone in trading community was looking forward to this festive season to recover previous losses. Meanwhile, the Confederation of All Indian Traders (CAIT) categorized the government's move as absurd. Speaking about the mounting losses, Atul Bhargava, President New Delhi Traders Association, said overall business will suffer 60 to 70% losses. A total of 50% losses will stem from the fact that shops will open only for 15 days in a month. Shopkeepers will incur 20% losses because customers will now be scared to step out. Anti-terror operation in Jammu and Kashmir will intensify. DGP Dilbag Singh. Director General of Police Jammu and Kashmir Dilbag Singh on Tuesday said the fight in terrorism and securing peace and tranquility in Jammu and Kashmir is a continuous process. He said that back-to-back successful anti-terror operations have been conducted in South Kashmir in the last few days and added that anti-terror operation will continue with more intensity to consolidate peace in Jammu and Kashmir. The DGP was briefed on the safety and surveillance features of vehicles. The vehicles are fully air conditioned and equipped with 14 CCTV cameras, PTZ cameras, 360-degree view camera, public address system, flashlights, advanced medical kit, power backup, and other security system. Speaking to the media, the DGP said that the modified and upgraded version of the government vehicles is equipped with modern gadgets and with additional safety features and surveillance systems. With the help of the surveillance system, we would be able to monitor a large area around the vehicle during any situation. Citing the example of the Nagrota encounter, the DGP said that the command vehicle used during the encounter proved extremely useful in efficiently neutralize the terrorists. The DGP said that to augment the efficiency and the capabilities of the force, the vehicles have been provided to all ranges of the Kashmir zone. He said that in the Jammu zone, the vehicles have been provided to the Jammu district for now, and in future the vehicles will be provided to other ranges as well. ADJSP MK Sinha and Danish Rana, IGP CIB PHQ Alok Kumar, SSB PCR Jammu Hasim Mughal, SSP Jammu Sri Chandan Kohli, AISJ of PHQ commandants of Jammu-based battalions and other senior officers were also present on the occasion. Delhi Metro trains to run at 50% seating capacity, standing commuters not allowed. Delhi Metro trains shall not run with only 50% seating capacity with no provision for standing for commuters in view of the latest restriction imposed by DTM authorities due to rising coronavirus cases, officials said on Tuesday. DTC and other city buses shall also ply with only 50% of the total seating capacity in view of the new norms, Dai said. Amid a spike in COVID-19 cases following the emergence of the Omicron variant, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday declared a yellow alert under which school, colleges, cinemas and gyms shall be closed. Shops dealing in the non-essential items will open on odd-even basis and metro trains and buses will run with 50% of seating. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation network current span is nearly 392 km with 286 stations including the Noida Greater Noida Metro Corridor and Rapid Metro Gurgaon. In view of the latest guidelines issued by the government for the containment of COVID-19 in Delhi, travel inside the metro will be allowed with certain restrictions, DMRC officials said. In a view of the same, entry into the metro stations will be regulated by restrictions. The number of gates open for entry into the stations to ensure compliance with the guidelines. Out of 712 gates, 444 will be kept open as of now, the officials said. DMRC services will fully suspend since May 10 in view of the COVID-induced lockdown in Delhi, which was first imposed on April 19 and successively extended by the city government. Services had run partially, catering only to people from the field of the essential services. Following the relaxation in the norms by the authorities, the Delhi Metro was running with full seating capacity from July 26, initially with no provision for standing travel for commuters, and later provision for standing was allowed with some regulations. However, due to social distancing and further COVID norms, crowding at stations has been an issue, and many commuters had been appealing to DMRC on social media to reopen more gates at stations most the improvement in coronavirus situation in the city.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.